how to change background color on Instagram stories. So the first thing you have to do is go to your profile page, then click your profile image, and select the photo you want to post on your stories. After that, go to upper right corner and tap the three dot sign and choose Draw. Then you can look to your lower screen and you can choose all this color to be your story background. You can tap any color you want. And after that, tap your screen for like 2 seconds and release it. There you go. Or you can just click on one of this color for like 2 seconds. And there you go. You can choose other color. After that, click down on your upper right screen and then click this sticker sign and click the photo. Choose the photo you want to upload. And there you go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.